Hello creatives. Let us continue with our video that we were looking at. Okay, let us continue with our video that we were looking at. Let me just do this to easily track and see whether everything is responding well. Just a moment. Just a little bit, then we continue from where we stopped. So endeavor to see that you hit that subscribe button. Okay, see that you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so everything is okay. So thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of this YouTube channel, and thank you for having subscribed. Okay, and so let us continue from where we had stopped. We had stopped on, as I was trying to show you the different options that we may have from the banners. Okay, like if at all we look at different designs, the options we have, and that is all, like I was trying to show you. Okay, these are like websites that offer out templates that you can play around with, because remember I told you I'm not going to buy. I'm not going to start from scratch. I'm going to use an image. So there is also this one, but the site that I would prefer is Freepik. So this one always has templates that are a little bit better than the others. So then we type in that is party. Okay, so type in party posters. So then from there I look at different options that I happen to have. So are you seeing we have this one? This is nice, but to because I want free stuff, not something to be bought, I may choose that, and I may also choose vector. I'm choosing both because I want to have the best designs. Okay, so it may be vector, or I search this again. Then it should also be free. So as you see here, I'm seeing some designs, but it basically means I have to switch from Photoshop. I mean from Illustrator to Photoshop, but the settings remain the same, because most of the designs I'm seeing are basically Photoshop designs, not vector designs. So look at them. Now let me first go back this side and switch from this PSD to vector and see what vector designs do I happen to have. But then remember one thing. Okay, I see some good designs here, but this person gave me some photos. This person gave me some photos. I think it would be better. Yes, this is good. This is good. So it would be better if we switch. If we switch from what? From Illustrator to Photoshop. Because I see some of the templates that are here basically are standing out for what? For Photoshop, okay? So we get this. We go back to PSD. We first get this one. So we click in it, okay? Then from clicking in it, we download it like that. Let us scroll down and try to see, are there some other designs that look a bit similar that we can make use of? Sorry. Let us have a look at this. This is premium. Okay. We get this. So I think because we are going to deal with more of photos, Photoshop would make it a little bit more advanced and better. Okay. And I would love it to be a little bit as like simple as possible. Okay, so I would want it to be as simple as possible. So I see some good designs here that can make it as simple as possible. So the downer ones are basically commercial. So since I have no money to invest in, so I believe the other one I downloaded is better. Then maybe let me put this and this. me try to see if, like I say, like they give you 3 downloads a day. If I say continue with this, then will they accept? Okay, yes, they have accepted. So I download this. I believe they can now add me like 5 just a day. Should I go with this? This looks too basic. So beach, but so I put beach party. So I come up with some other designs that are okay. So let me first ignore that. Now I'm like looking at this to like get inspired. Okay, so you like download, collect your stuff to get inspired. That is going to be helping you get inspired. Okay, so I may need this, but I'm not sure, but I believe this is a PSD. That is why it is a vector basically. If I can get that as a vector and it is free, then this is nice. So now it is always better for you like to make resources, to like get these resources before you meet, before like you come to the final conclusion. Like what I'm trying to mean, before you expect clients to come to you, you should be able to get this stuff. Okay, like you collect out your resources that you may be in need of before like clients happen to come to you for what, for like designs, for anything. Okay, so endeavor to see that you grasp that and you adjust by that, because a client may come and is ready to buy from you or for you to design for him, but he has less time, yet you also want to come up with something nice. Okay. So which one would we go for? Which one would we go for? Let's try to have that one. That one is what? Premium. This one is premium. It is sold. Maybe we would save as image. We would get inspired. So now what I do, I click this snippet tool. So you can search it here by putting in snippet tool in your Windows, whether you're on Windows 7, 8, 10, and also what? Windows 12. Is it 13? Windows 12 or 13? That. So you get it and you just make new, and then you like draw here and you slope down. So now you can save. I save it as P1. Then minimize that, so I will have stored it. So it may inspire me at a certain point, so I would need these. So before maybe I download these ones, don't I have anything better than these? It's also premium. So I download this. So now I believe I'm left with just a few. Okay, so now maybe I keep that maybe over 2 times or 1 time, that is basically remaining, like to avoid what? To avoid going off. Like I keep that 1 time. So endeavor to see that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that we use this platform to always happen to share content, okay, that is to benefit we as creatives, or we as people who are basically in the art industry. On this channel we happen to share a lot of stuff that benefits us as creative people, okay. So endeavor to see that you subscribe, so that you do not miss out on anything or anytime we happen to upload a video. Okay, so I'm 𝐿𝐻𝐿 from 𝐿𝐻𝐿 Lifestyle, and I call you upon, okay, I call you upon to like, subscribe to my channel, and we happen to always share a lot of stuff, okay. So I call you upon to be part. Okay. So I call you upon to be part of the channel and to subscribe, okay. Okay, so endeavor to like be part of this channel, so that we may grow together, we may like so we go back, and so we have to like go back. Sorry. So we can go back, okay. Hello, I'm like, let me first check and see. I want to just see if I'm still live.
So, you are ready to invest in Airtel's initial public offering?
So I want to just see if at all I'm live. So yeah, we are good. So now we've like got the other stuff, okay, that we needed to like do a poster, or the design that we basically wanted to do, okay. So now what we have to do is we go back to our software, excuse me, then we double click on this, then we get our downloads. These are our downloads. Now we can highlight all of them, copy them, and create a folder that is for Photoshop. Okay, so we get this folder, then we let us do not copy them, but let us cut. Okay, right click and cut, then we paste them inside. Okay, for easy for being able to go through them, then right click and say extract here. So I would want to see, I can use this method of opening up a picture, or I come here, click view, then go for extra using this. So with this EPS we can open it in what? In Illustrator. Okay, so let us first extract all of them, and we get to see which one would we prefer and which software would we go for. Extract here. So these two so far are from what? From Photoshop, then Summer. Extract files here. So this is also Illustrator. In some party landing, right click, extract here. This is also Illustrator. We'll begin from the last part and see. Yes. Extract here. Yes. So this is 3624.811. I want this one. Where is it and what version is it? I'm not seeing the what? I'm not seeing okay, now let me do it this way. We open them in Photoshop. Or what we would do is we come and say open, just open like that. So I say okay. So it is this one, 9-1. So it is a Photoshop project. So I open in Photoshop. So we are going to be playing around with the two softwares, and we happen to see what we can come up with. Okay. Okay. So we click in it. Okay. So now after like opening, like it is opening up in Photoshop. So this is our design that we happen to have. Now we are going to play with this and try to include whatever this person wants us to include in, okay, in this design. So endeavor to see that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and you also be part of the channel as a creative. So it is loading. So it is basically loading. So ignore these fonts because don't resolve, because we like don't have the fonts that were being used. So we get this. Okay. But remember, this same thing applies to the other side. In Illustrator, we had made an in Illustrator. If we go back to Illustrator, we had made yes, we had made this. This is the size of an what? An A3. Let me see here and show you if we can get it directly. So if we can get it directly from here, from Photoshop, so we close this. No, we also close this. No, yes, we close this. We leave this. Okay, we close it because we already saved it. Okay, we'll close this. We already explained it. Then from there, I go to File, then New. So now I want to create an A3. Okay, that is Mook Marshon. Mook Mark. If I create that, sorry, I didn't put the page sizes. So here I can create a preset. So I save it as maybe. I give it banner Mook, like that. Then I come this side. I make it an A. Now, like here, I'm not having any templates unless I happen to go to print, okay, and just like look here. I change this to centimeters. Maybe I just look around here to look for an A3. Double click in it and it is created. So now I'm going to be moving all of this stuff to the other side and fit it on the other page. I select that, hold shift and select everything. Then after making sure that everything is selected, I come and click on the move tool. Then now I can move everything, point there. I've clicked and dragged. Then paste it. So I click a Ctrl T, okay, all, then I scale it off, but make sure that when you're scaling it off, okay, when you're scaling it off, you make sure that it balances. I think that. So I was able to retain all the layers that I wanted. Okay, so I was able to retain all the layers that I wanted, but I also managed to shift, okay, my stuff. Okay, so now with these layers, so I want to first see where am I saving. So it is in fonts, that is where I'm saving this project. Okay, so now we are like doing what? We are now going to start placing in different words, okay, in our design. So we come back. Like doing what? We are now going to start placing in different words, okay. So we are starting to put in different words. I Photoshop. So as you see it here, okay. So in the next video, I'm going to go off live because you people here basically few. Then the other thing is I would want to transfer some data to the computer, then we start working on the images. So I'm going to continue uploading like videos that are basically just screen recorded, and I upload them to the platform. So please and endeavor to see that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yes, that is what I'm requesting for, please. Thank you.